Okie dokie Smokey, let's get on this little machine and go for a ride. Okay, so drone flying at the Broadwater boat ramp. Let's go home a different way. Let's get over this side. Right, we'll take a different way home. We shall go left here. Sign says Nerang, but we're not going to go to Nerang. Cute little perch. Site of the old Southport Hospital. Not quite sure what the plan for the rest of it is. About half of it's been built out. There's a lot left yet. I'm going to go right. Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at me, look at me, look at me. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, sometimes I miss the heel shifter. Not quite sure where my foot is. Still not used to it. Still, this is only the second time I've ever ridden this bike, so it's going to come with a bit of practice, I think. So we've just gone past the old Southport Hospital, and we're going to go past the new Gold Coast Hospital. It's not called the Southport Hospital anymore. Alright, so you leave the hospital and end up here. Slow down. Oh, fancy getting a speeding ticket on a CT125. Disgraceful. Park busters fitted. Got a video on that just here. Park busters. Easy to put on the left. Hard to put on the right. Watch the video, you'll see why. Over we go. Right, those multicoloured buildings you can see, 4 or 5 stories high. That was the competitors' village for the Commonwealth Games, 2018 Commonwealth Games over here on the Gold Coast. And now it's mainly student accommodation or private rental for Griffith University, which is we're going to go right through smack through the middle of it. So there's a Gold Coast private hospital, and you only go there if you've got medical insurance, which I have, and I have used. There's Griffith University, the different schools on the left and the right. And now we have, what is it called? Gold Coast University Hospital. There you go, Gold Coast University Hospital. It's probably getting on for, I don't know, I'm guessing 10, 15 years. Oh, it wouldn't be 15 years. Because, yeah, it wouldn't be 15 years. Probably a good 10 years since it opened. And they were adding onto it for a long time after it did open. Maybe I'm getting a bit better on this shift. I hope I am. So we're going to take a left here onto Napa Road, and that'll take us past the Gold Coast Titans Centre. Anyway, here it is on the left. Parkwood Village, little shopping complex, Pokey's Bistro, and through the trees you'll see a football field, rugby league field. That's where the Gold Coast Titans do their training. Home sweet home.